these are the alphabets in Espanol. Espanol means Spanish. Okay.
Okay,
So
Spanish.
what we are going to do,
Okay.
it is like a English alphabets. Understood?
Okay.
English alphabets
Okay.
like A, B, C, D. But I have written here, I have mentioned here the pronunciation of A, how to say A in Spanish. So can you read that?
Oh,
Then I'll correct you.
okay. A,
Hmm.
B,
Very good. Muy
C,
bien. Hmm.
She. It's
Hmm.
She or
Yeah.
it's She,
Che.
right?
Che. Che. Hmm.
She. Okay.
Hmm.
They,
Hmm.
E,
Hmm.
and G, E or G. I cannot pronounce it.
Khe. Khe.
Hey. Okay.
Hmm.
And then F.
No. F is Fa.
F A. Okay. F A.
Hmm.
Okay. G. Hey. Sorry.
Hmm. Khe. Khe. Hmm.
And H is
Ache.
H. H.
Ache.
Ache. Okay. Ache. E.
Hmm.
एक में
Hota.
ए में
Hota. No, no, no. J is hota.
okay, just a second. Okay, J hotra. K
Hmm.
is ka.
Ka.
Yes. Ka. L is hele.
La.
La. Okay.
Hmm.
The H is silent, right?
Yeah, yeah. H is silent.
Okay. Then
Ma.
ma.
Hmm.
Then hene. Ne.
Na. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. It
Na.
there's another N. Na. Okay. Na.
Hmm.
Na.
Hmm.
O is O.
Hmm. O.
P is pe. Pe.
Pe. Ha.
Q is ku.
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 Hmm. Muy bien.
R is hare. R is
Ere.
ray.
Ere.
Hare. Okay. Hare. R is hare. Hare.
R. R.
Array.
Yeah.
Array.
Yeah.
Okay.
R.
S. Array.
Hmm.
Okay. S is essay.
Muy bien. Very good.
T is there.
Hmm.
T. Okay. Just a second. T. U. Yes. U is U.
Hmm. U.
V is bay.
Hmm. Ve.
W is double. Okay.
W.
Dou-
W.
Double way. Okay. Double way. Okay.
Okay.
X is equus.
X.
Equus.
Hmm.
Y is egriga.
Hmm. Y.
Egregia.
Y.
Egriega.
Hmm.
And Z is seta.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Seta.
Seta.
Hmm. Seta. Seta.
Oh, seta.
T. Huh. T is pronounced
Oh,
like ta. Ta. Ta.
okay.
Okay.
The. Okay. T
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
like the. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
T
Okay.
is
Okay.
like
Got it.
ta. Tota. Like ta.
Tabla. Okay. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
So now can
Okay.
you tell me the alphabets again?
Yeah. Sure.
Hmm.
A.
Hmm.
B.
Hmm.
Se.
Hmm.
Che. नहीं.
Hmm. Che. Che.
Okay. Che. Che.
Hmm.
D is there.
Hmm.
E is a.
Hmm.
F is F. F A.
Hmm.
G is hey.
Hmm.
H is H A.
Ache.
Ache.
Hmm.
Okay. E.
Hmm.
Hota.
Hmm. Muy bien.
Ka.
Hmm. Ka.
L A.
L. Muy bien. L.
Okay, just a second. Uh, M is
MA,
MA.
MA, muy bien, MA,
N is NA.
NA,
NA.
NA,
Second
NA.
N. NA. Sorry,
Hmm,
NA.
muy bien.
Okay, okay. O is O.
O,
Pe.
हाँ, पे,
Pu.
पू,
Array. Array.
एरे, हाँ,
Array.
एरे.
Array. Yeah, I
हम्म,
got it. Array. Array.
हम्म,
Okay. Uh, S is SA.
muy bien, ऐसे,
Then Te.
ते,
U.
ऊ,
Just a second. V is bear.
बे,
W is double way. Double way.
doble V, muy bien.
Double way.
हम्म,
Okay. Just a second. Y is Equus. Equus.
X, X,
Equus. Okay.
हम्म,
Equus. Y is Egregia.
Y,
Egrega. Okay.
हम्म,
Z is Seta.
Zeta, muy bien.
Seta.
Hmm.
Seta.
Very good.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to write down here some name. Okay. You're going to practice this alphabets and you have to pronounce
Okay.
it. Okay. So your name is Shruti. Shruti Mishra.
Yes.
Huh? So can you
Yes.
pronounce the letters of your name in Spanish?
Okay. But मैं तो भूल गई.
S is essay.
Ah,
S is
okay. I have to learn these
yeah,
letters
yeah. You
first.
have to actually you have to repeat 3 or 4 times. Then it will become a
Yeah,
it will get into your
I
memory.
have.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm going to pronounce it for you now, alphabets. Okay. A, B, C, Ch,
Up.
D, A, F, K, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, double R या R.
Array.
S,
Okay.
T, U, B, W, X, Y, Z.
Seta.
Okay.
Okay.
So your name I'm going to
Okay.
pronounce. So this S is called
Okay.
SA. SA,
S A
H, R,
H Array.
U,
O
T,
T
E.
equi E.
Hmm. In the
Okay.
Mishra, Meshara.
Okay.
So the very simple name, Anna. Can you pronounce Anna? ANA.
A. Okay.
Hmm.
I have to look
A,
into the map. Let. Uh, A. N is ne
NA, NA.
ne
Hmm. Hmm.
N A.
Hmm.
Is
Hmm.
array something.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Next is Rana.
I have to look into the letters first. I cannot recall every
Okay,
letter
okay,
right now.
okay, 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 okay.
Yeah. I have to learn the letters first. So
Mm-hmm.
Rana is array.
Hmm.
Array A.
Hmm.
N A. N
Hmm.
A.
Hmm.
And A.
Muy bien. Very good. Now the next one is. Can you tell me your name? Any name?
Any other name? Okay. Vishwas.
Vishwas. Vishwas. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. Please.
B
Hmm.
E
Hmm. Hmm.
S A
Hmm.
E S A H
Ach-
is Acha
Ache.
Acha
Ache. Ache.
Ache
Hmm.
Ache Ache. Then W
Hmm.
A
Ah.
Ere,
Hmm.
and H is okay.
Ese, ese.
Essay. Okay.
Ujú. Muy bien.